Hello friends, my name is Abhishek. In today's session, we'll be discussing the 8th puzzle in this series. You have 81 balls, all of which look identical. All are of the same weight except for one, which is lighter than the others. Using only a balance scale, you have to find the odd one out. Find the minimum number of chances needed. So, first of all, I'll recommend everyone to pause this video for a couple of minutes and try to solve this question on your own. Now, I guess you guys must have tried to solve it. See, the first the first thing that we need to keep in mind is the approach to solve this question. Many students divide the number of balls in two equal halves if it is an even number. Now, in case this is an odd number, but I'll tell you what is wrong with dividing the number of balls in two equal halves. See, suppose if you were to divide this into two equal halves, let us say group A and group B. 40, 40 and one of these is kept aside. First of all, a person might say that I'll keep 40 balls on the left hand side of the scale and 40 balls on the right hand side of the scale. If both of these are equal, then the one that is the 81st ball is the lighter ball. But then this is not guaranteed that I'll be able to find the lightest ball in the very first attempt. So we have to find the minimum number of ways in which it is guaranteed. So another reason I'll tell you why this approach of dividing the balls into two equal groups is wrong. Okay, even if let us say I find out that one of these sides, let us say A or B, is slightly lighter than the other on the weighing scale. So obviously this ball is already eliminated. Suppose this side is lighter. So after the first chance, I'll be having 40 balls. Then I'll be dividing them into 20 each. Then the second chance, in the second chance, I'll divide 40 balls into 20, groups of 20 each. Then after this second chance, I'll be left with 20 balls. Similarly, after third chance, I'll be left with 10. After fourth chance, I'll be left with 5. After fifth chance, I'll be left with 2. And after sixth chance, I'll be left with 1. Why does this happen so? Every time the number of balls keep getting halved. But think of this problem from other perspective. Instead of dividing the balls in two equal halves, divide them in three equal groups. There are 81 balls. If I divide them into groups of 27 each, after the first, let us say on the first try, I put these 27 balls on the left side and these 27 on the right side. Then what happens is, if both of them are equal, then certainly the lighter ball is in this one. There could be other scenario that these two are not equal. If these two are not equal, then certainly we'll get to know which side is lighter, then the lighter ball will be in that particular group of 27 balls. So basically, after the first attempt itself, there will be 27 balls left with that, whether it is this, this or this. So from 81, we have dropped to 1/3. Now when I have 27 balls, I'll again divide them into groups of 3 each, that is 9, 9, 9. So once this is done, I'll again see, let us say this is group X, group Y and group Z. So if I put group X and Y on two different scales, if they are equal, then certainly the lightest ball is in this group. Or if these two are not equal, then I'll obviously get to know which ball is lighter. Then after the second chance, I am left with 9 balls, which is 1/3 of this. So going by the same procedure, after the third chance, I will be left with 3 balls, and in the fourth chance, I will be left with only 3 balls. Let me name these balls as A, B and C. I'll keep ball A and B on one of the sides, one of the balls on side A, other ball on other side. Now, if these two are equal, then certainly this is the lightest. If these two are not equal, then obviously I get to know which one is lighter. So I suppose this is clear to everyone. So the minimum number of turns that are required is 4. I hope this is clear. In case you have any doubts, you may specify your doubts either in the YouTube comments or in the Telegram group. So take care everyone. Thank you.